Let's make a tomato sauce with zero cleanup. So first, just start with whatever tomatoes you've got. You're gonna wanna just take those little leaves and stems off and slice them down the middle. Don't worry about hulling them because we're actually going to just get rid of that later. Then place cut side up on a parchment-lined sheet pan and drizzle with some extra virgin olive oil, sprinkle on some garlic powder and some salt. Next, we roast them in a 350 Fahrenheit, 180 centigrade oven until they look like this. And we're not going to be using a blender here. We are just using a fork. So use that fork to first lift off any of these little kind of burnt bits of tomato goo. Just get rid of those and give everything a really good mash with a fork. And I know it looks kind of ridiculous, but it actually makes an amazing tomato sauce. If you see any of those burnt skins, you can just lift them right out. And look at that, no dishes. Now we just lift it out and get rid of that parchment and foil, and we can add some basil if we want, either dried or fresh, and we're done. We've got a great tomato sauce.